السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أخوكم محمد زبير. Hey guys, one fine morning. Just time after Fajr prayer. It's beautiful. You can see the background. Beautiful masjid. So guys, this is located in the Barsha High Tekom area, just by the metro station, the way into the city. You can just walk in. MashaAllah. Hey guys, so guys, I just wanted to wish you a good day ahead. Still, the cases are there on the rise. We still need to support the authorities such as uh, Dubai Police and Dubai Health and Prevention, authorities to support them. And we have a great spokesperson, Dr. Faida Al Hassani. And I just want to thank the news channels, ARN News Center 103.8, and where's media, Al Bark, UAE Bark, and different channels to keeping us updated on about this pandemic upon us. So guys, I pray to the Almighty. I hope He is all stay safe from this and come back stronger as a nation. Al Emarat, and 3 more days to go. UAE reaches Mars with the Mars probe mission. So guys, stay tight, inshallah. Stay blessed. Have a good day ahead. Your brother Akhukum Muhammad Zubair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.